Huzzah! It's Gary from the Disney Spirits podcast. In honor of Disney releasing Hamilton to the Disney Plus streaming service, we're making the Founders Fizz, which is basically a modified GIN FIZZ. It's one of the lobby drinks during the Hamilton play at the Rodgers Theater. It was also in the touring, in the lobby at the touring locations. Basically, it's a 1.5 ounces of Beefeater gin. We'll be using Hendrick's because I like the way Hendrick's mixes with citrus. Half ounce of lime juice, which is basically the squeeze of half a lime, or you can use the fresh squeezed lime juice in a bottle. 1 ounce of simple syrup, shaken in the shaker, poured over ice, and then add a seltzer and garnish with wine. So let's get to it. Grab the gin here. Oh man, that's the wrong shot.
Do you want me to throw it out?
I will not throw away my shot.
I am not throwing away my shot.
Cheers. Alright, let me get to the real gin here. So 1.5 ounces of gin, I'm using Hendrick's. In the lobby at Hamilton, they used Beefeater gin. Oh man, let's even get this top off.
Need help?
I'm not helpless. Got it. Put some ice in the shaker. One and a half ounces of Hendrick's. I'll just give a little bit in case there's a spill. Squeeze of a lime. Try to get as much of the lime as you can in the shaker instead of all over yourself like I just did. And an ounce of simple syrup. Obviously you can use more, use less, depending on how sweet you like to drink. I'm going to go with an ounce. Now remember, make your simple syrup beforehand because you don't want to have to wait for your drink. Sometimes you need to wait. Anyways, give this a shake. Glass. I have the appropriate Disney glass today. Highball glass. Finish off the seltzer. A little bit of garnish. There you go. Founders Fizz. Cheers. Delicious. If you like this drink video, make sure you check us out on the YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, hit reminders. Apparently that's a thing on YouTube now. Feel free to email us at thedisneyspirits@gmail.com for any drink suggestions or anything you like, dislike, all nice things. And make sure you check out our podcast on iTunes, Spotify, PodBean, anywhere you get your podcasts. Remember, it's the Disney Spirits. Thanks a lot.